In this video, we will step inside an old apartment that has very charming decoration and furniture, including a classy kitchen. This expansive Swedish apartment features a stunning blue shaker kitchen, complemented by elegant gold hardware and a pristine white marble countertop. In the living room, a striking wardrobe module offers ample storage options for the apartment. One segment of the wardrobe is open, perfect for showcasing books and storage baskets. Additionally, a clever storage solution graces the dining room, where a custom-built bookshelf surrounds the doorway, maximizing space efficiency. The kitchen design incorporates a corner module and an island complete with a breakfast bar, creating a central focal point within the space. The deep blue shaker kitchen cabinets make a bold statement against the light beige walls, creating a striking contrast in the kitchen space. Modern touches such as the gold hardware and stainless steel appliances complement the classic shaker design of the cabinets. Contrasting with the cabinets, a black hood and black wall lamps above the countertop introduce a subtle industrial flair to the space. In the bedroom, a captivating dark green botanical wallpaper infuses a moody ambiance into the space. Meanwhile, in the small guest bathroom, another wallpaper design adorns the walls above the green wainscoting, adding visual interest and personality to the room. This half-tiled bathroom showcases classic white subway tiles with black grout, Victorian-style floor tiles, and a deep green vanity. The upper walls are painted in soft off-white, while black fixtures provide a striking contrast. A charming urban balcony carefully arranged to maximize comfort and aesthetic appeal. The space is furnished with a wooden bench adorned with plush pillows in various patterns, inviting relaxation within the city environment. A child's bedroom or a small sitting area, characterized by its warm, inviting atmosphere and a mix of vintage and bohemian elements. The room is painted in soft, neutral tones, creating a calming backdrop for the diverse decor.